How to fix Instagram or restrict certain activity. First thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you want to do is wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find the Instagram right here. Click on it, click on force stop and then click on the storage. Click on clear cache and clear data. Go back, click on the this open by default option, click on always allow and choose ask every time. Go back to the settings again and this time go to the wireless and networks. Enable the airplane mode for 15 seconds, exactly 15 seconds, and disable it. And now turn off your phone and turn it on again, and congratulations. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end.